Introducing the Lexus ES. This ES
reflects a higher level of performance than its predecessors, while exhibiting a mastery of refinement and sophistication. If you're familiar with the model, you'll find the new ES more spacious, quieter, and more powerful. If you're new to the ES, you'll be impressed by a sedan with class-leading active safety technology and a level of craftsmanship rarely found in this segment.
The daring design elements incorporated into the Lexus ES will challenge your expectations. Starting with the athletic coupe-like silhouette, the new ES was designed to be longer, lower, and wider than previous ES models. Built on a new platform, the exceptionally rigid front-wheel drive chassis lowers the center of gravity in the ES, making it more agile than ever before. This Lexus ES also receives two new signature grilles. The standard ES 350 and the ES 300H use elegant vertical bars, while the ES 350 F Sport model adapts a blacked-out pattern consisting of L-shaped clusters. A fast roofline emphasizes the sleek stance. LED tail lamps wrap around the rear for continuous styling, and dual bright finished exhaust tips punctuate a clean, sharply chiseled rear end. There are three different wheel designs for the ES 350 and ES 300H, one standard 17-inch and two 18-inch options, one of which offers noise reduction technology. When it comes to the ES F Sport, it comes equipped with these striking 19-inch wheels.
If you're looking for a refreshing point of view on modern luxury, have a look at the interior features of the Lexus ES.
As you can see, a captivating blend of contemporary styling and cutting-edge technology is evident everywhere. A driver-centric cockpit is crafted with controls and screens clustered together in the driver's sightline to help maintain a focus on the road. In the back, rear seat passenger comfort has not been forsaken despite the sleeker exterior roofline on the ES. A lower hip point and a carefully configured headliner preserve headroom, while the longer wheelbase delivers the generous legroom and unparalleled comfort that have long been ES hallmarks. A closer look reveals additional expressions of modern style and technology. From the vibrant largest in class, available 12.3-inch display, to the available linear espresso and linear dark mocha wood trims. With all new class-leading audio technology, this is the most advanced ES yet. Whether you're a casual music fan or a true audiophile, you'll appreciate available Mark Levinson audio package that has been crafted specifically for the ES. For those looking for a more seamless driving experience and a smarter, safer way to use your iPhone in the car, this ES is the first Lexus product to have Apple CarPlay support. The ES also has Amazon Alexa via the Lexus Plus Alexa app. Drivers can ask to play music, place calls, and even control smart home devices, all while keeping their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. In order to make this radical transformation of the ES complete, engineers look to deliver handling and power that you can both feel and hear. Built to deliver a fundamentally higher level of performance than any of its predecessors, the ES is equipped with a newly developed chassis, which handles with precision and predictability. All ES 350s are powered by a 3.5-liter V6 that is designed to deliver commanding acceleration along with an invigorating sound. The engine produces 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, both significant increases over previous generations. In addition to the exhilarating power offered by its engine, the ES 350 also benefits from an 8-speed direct-shift automatic transmission.
Witness the ultimate expression of the ES.
The ES-H.
It is the most powerful ES-H ever and more fuel efficient than any non-plug-in luxury vehicle in the market.
The new 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine is one of the most thermally efficient engines ever offered in a Lexus. Combined with a lighter, more power-dense electric motor, it provides more power without increasing emissions or fuel consumption.
A new era of ES performance is ushered in with the creation of the first ever ES F Sport.
With available adapted variable suspension with adjustable dampers for confident control, and an exclusive Sport S Plus mode that enables the driver to select the most aggressive transmission and suspension settings for maximum performance. The first ever ES F Sport offers performance as dynamic as its style. Inside, the ES F Sport features LC-inspired instrumentation. Further evidence of its performance mastery is found in the steering wheel, which features a varied grip and fits comfortably in your hands at all touch points. One aspect of the ES that hasn't been radically transformed is its dedication to safety. All versions of the 7th generation ES debut Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0, a suite of class-leading standard active safety equipment that further expands its capabilities and the driver's peace of mind.
Bolder styling, more dynamic performance, uniquely crafted materials, and the latest technology all add a chapter to the ES story that hasn't been told. Prepare for an ES experience unlike any other, ever.